Have you ever bought a gadget on Amazon that looked amazing but ended up disappointing you? Today I'm reviewing 3 Amazon gadgets that actually stand out. One blasts away dust, one lets you see heat, and one helps protect your home. Stay until the end to find out which one I'd choose. You'll find all the product links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest gadget reviews. First up is the Wolfbox MF200 air duster. If you're tired of buying disposable canned air, this is a great alternative. It features a removable battery, 3 power levels, and a powerful brushless motor that easily cleans keyboards, PCs, cars, and other hard to reach places. It's rechargeable, reusable, and much more convenient for regular cleaning. Next is the Flyer 1 Pro thermal camera. Simply plug it into your USB-C Android phone and you can instantly see heat signatures. It's perfect for finding air leaks, checking electrical problems, DIY projects, or even outdoor adventures. While it's not something everyone needs every day, it's incredibly useful for homeowners and tech enthusiasts. Finally, we have the Google Nest Cam second generation. It records sharp 1080p HDR video, works indoors or outdoors, and can tell the difference between people, animals, and vehicles. Since it's battery powered, installation is quick and easy, and it even stores recordings during temporary Wi Fi or power outages. If I had to choose just one, I'd pick the Wolf box because it's affordable, practical, and something I'd actually use all the time. But if home security is your priority, the Nest Cam is an excellent choice. Which gadget is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and check out the Amazon links in the description. Thanks for watching.